What if DJI is about to make the biggest leap in the Mini series yet? The DJI Mini 5 Pro launched about a year ago and brought major improvements like a larger camera sensor, longer flight time, and advanced obstacle sensing. Now, attention is shifting to the rumored DJI Mini 6 Pro. While DJI hasn't officially announced the drone, several leaks and community discussions have revealed what could be coming next. So in today's video, we're comparing the current Mini 5 Pro with everything that's rumored for the Mini 6 Pro to see whether the next generation could be worth waiting for. Mini 5 Pro, a strong starting point. Before looking ahead, let's quickly remember why the Mini 5 Pro became one of DJI's most popular compact drones. Despite weighing under 250 grams, it introduced a 1-inch 50-megapixel CMOS sensor, 4K high frame rate recording, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, O4+ transmission, and significantly improved flight time over earlier Mini models. Those upgrades made it a favorite among travelers and creators looking for professional image quality in an ultralight drone. But technology never stands still. A new stacked CMOS sensor. The biggest rumor surrounding the Mini 6 Pro is a next-generation stacked CMOS sensor. Instead of simply increasing megapixels, a stacked sensor could improve readout speed, reduce rolling shutter, and enhance low-light performance. That would benefit both photographers and video creators, especially when shooting fast-moving subjects. Community discussions have also suggested this as one of the most desired upgrades. 6K video. Another widely discussed possibility is 6K recording. Although 4K is enough for most users, 6K would offer more flexibility for cropping, digital stabilization, and future-proof editing. At this stage, however, no official specification has been confirmed by DJI, so treat this as a rumor rather than a confirmed feature. Smarter AI tracking. DJI's tracking technology improves with nearly every generation. Leaks and community expectations point toward more advanced AI subject tracking that could better recognize people, vehicles, cyclists, and wildlife while maintaining smoother framing during flight. Better obstacle avoidance. The Mini 5 Pro already includes advanced obstacle sensing. For the Mini 6 Pro, rumors suggest DJI may improve the system with enhanced side sensing, better low-light detection, or faster object recognition powered by new onboard processors. None of this has been officially confirmed, but it's one of the most requested improvements from pilots. Longer battery life. Battery life is another area everyone wants to improve. Some rumors suggest DJI could increase efficiency through redesigned batteries and more efficient motors, rather than simply making the battery larger. Since the drone will likely remain under the 250-gram category, DJI will need to balance endurance with weight restrictions. Will the design change? Recent discussions suggest DJI is likely to keep the familiar folding Mini design because it's already successful. Instead, improvements may focus on internal hardware, cooling, antennas, and camera technology, rather than a complete redesign. Release date. This is the question everyone is asking. The important thing to remember is that DJI has not officially announced the Mini 6 Pro. Current timelines circulating online vary considerably, and there is no verified launch date. Some analysts believe a launch could come later, while others think it may arrive even later, depending on DJI's product roadmap. Until DJI makes an announcement, any release window remains speculation. Should you wait? If you already own a Mini 5 Pro, there's no confirmed reason to upgrade yet, because the Mini 6 Pro remains unannounced. However, if DJI delivers even some of the rumored upgrades, such as a stacked sensor, improved AI tracking, enhanced obstacle sensing, and higher resolution video, the Mini 6 Pro could become one of the most capable ultralight drones DJI has ever made.